Michaela, it's your puppy. So we're going to look at this example first, and you might want to copy it down. So it says, what is 40% of 250? Draw a bar model. It says with 10 equal pieces. Why might I choose to draw 10 pieces? Because if we take the whole thing is considered 100%. So if we divide it into 10 equal pieces, there'll be 10% each. And then we know we want 40%, so 40% would be 4 of these pieces. Now, how much is each piece worth as far as the number? Well, you take 250 and divide it by 10. Each piece is worth 25. 25, 25, 25. 10 25s is 250. So now if we highlight the 4 pieces we need, this piece, there's 10%, and 10% more is 20%, so another 25. And then a third one makes 30%, another 25. And then the fourth one makes 40%. Now to figure out the number, we add up all these 25s, and that equals 100. So our answer is 100. These 4 pieces add up to 100. Again, they're 10% each, 10, 20, 30, 40%. Is we'll add these 4 25s and makes 100. So 40% of 250 is 100. Now if you look at your example, it's a little bit different. In your number 5, what is 15% of 280? So I started off by dividing it up into 10 pieces again, each piece worth 10%. If you take 280 and divide it into 10 equal pieces, divided by 10 is 28. So each 10% piece is worth 28 out of that number. So if I highlight the first one, well, that's 10%, right? We need 15, so we only need 5% more. Well, 5% is half of this 10%. So it's like taking that 10% and dividing it into 2 equal pieces here. So if I split that in half, each one of these pieces, half of 10% is 5%. So this is 5%, and this is 5%. So I have to divide the number into 2 also. What's 28 divided by 2? 14. So this piece is 14, and this piece is 14. So now we've got this highlighted for 10. We need 5% more. So we shade that in. Just one of these little pieces, one of these half pieces. Oops. And then we add up these two numbers. So it's the 28 plus 14. 28 plus 14 is 42. So our answer is 42. So again, you look at it, these two pieces together, the big piece, the 10% plus 5% more, half of a 10%. 28 plus 14 is 42. I hope that helps you a little bit, and then I'll look at making a video for some of the other examples. They're a little bit different. Love you.